AMLKYC service providers versus internal compliance counsel. Which one is better for fintech and banking firms? Most fintech and banking executives assume that internal compliance counsel is enough to manage anti-money laundering and know your customer obligations. The surprising truth is that specialized AMLKYC service providers can offer faster, more scalable, and often more cost-effective solutions. AMLKYC service providers use advanced technology and global databases to perform customer due diligence, monitor transactions, and flag suspicious activity. For example, a digital bank onboarding thousands of clients weekly can rely on a provider to automate identity verification, monitor politically exposed persons, and detect anomalies across multiple jurisdictions, all in real time. Internal compliance counsel brings deep institutional knowledge, judgment, and regulatory relationships. They interpret complex regulations, handle investigations, and respond to regulatory inquiries. However, scaling internal teams to match transaction volumes can be expensive and slow, and human oversight alone may struggle to catch subtle patterns in high-volume data. The key difference is scale and speed. AMLKYC providers excel at high-volume automation, ensuring rapid onboarding and ongoing monitoring. Internal counsel is essential for interpreting alerts, managing exceptions, and guiding strategic compliance decisions. Many firms now use a hybrid approach. Service providers handle routine screening and monitoring, while internal counsel focuses on complex cases, regulatory engagement, and policy oversight. The takeaway is clear. For fintech and banking firms, AMLKYC service providers offer efficiency, scalability, and accuracy. The surprising truth is that internal counsel alone cannot keep pace with modern transaction volumes. By combining external providers with internal expertise, firms can achieve robust compliance, reduce risk, and maintain operational agility in an increasingly complex regulatory environment.